Hey guys, let's see how to fix the problem when you get a message on a Tapo camera unable to download clips. Here I have a Tapo C425, but it's the same for any Tapo camera. You see that I have my Tapo app working with the live view, and when I try to download something here on the playback and download, I get this error message. If I come here, download this clip for example, I hit here download, and here unable to download clips, your phone is not connected to the same network as the Tapo camera. Basically it's saying that I need to connect the cell phone to the same router the camera is connected to locally, right? So if you're traveling, for example, you are far away from home or from your job where you have the camera, you just need to come back to the location to connect your cell phone to the same router, or you can use the cloud option, right? If you have a cloud subscription, you can download from anywhere. I know it sucks, but that's the limitation from Tapo, okay? From the TP-Link Tapo cameras. So if you want to download directly from your cell phone, from your SD card, you just need to have the cell phone in the same network as the Tapo camera. So let me just show here that when I come to the menu and I can check the camera connection, you see here network connection, and here's my router. It's connected to my Wi-Fi 24. That's the one. And my cell phone is connected to a different one. If I come here to my cell phone, I check the Wi-Fi, you see that I have max-24. It's a different router, okay? In fact, I have a repeater here. So I just need to change from this repeater to the main router, that's the my Wi-Fi 24. And if it's not here, it's not showing up, I just need to refresh, turn the Wi-Fi off and on again, or start refreshing until I see it. See here? Now I got it, my Wi-Fi -24, that's the one. So I'm going to connect to it. There we go. Then I can come back to the Tapo app. It's interesting here that you also need to do this. You just need to close the app, then you open it again. Now I have the camera and cell phone in the same Wi-Fi. Then I come here to the camera one more time, playback and download. Let's just download this clip, hit download, and here's the message. It's downloading now, right? It's going to download to the gallery here on my cell phone, okay? So basically that's the way you can fix the problem with the unable to download clip message on Tapo cameras. Here I'm giving you an example with the Tapo C425, but it's the same for every single Tapo camera. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.